Getting to 30% with Autodesk InfraWorks. Efficiently generate preliminary plans. In the early stages of infrastructure project development, teams are typically working towards the creation of 30% plans. These plans can be used to confirm scope, budget, and schedule. Design work at this stage with a high level of detail is often cost prohibitive, so in the past, preliminary design reviews often relied on low detail, static 2D plan sheets. One of the goals of the 30% design review is to ensure that the design team is on track, as well as understanding what pieces of the project would require things like right-of-way purchase or special permits, so that the processes can begin alongside with the design and not cause a bottleneck later. Right-of-way acquisition needs and impacted land types are considered as part of the decision-making process at this stage. In this scenario, I've used analysis tools in InfraWorks to identify several parcels that would be expensive to purchase. I can work through different alignments and lane configurations to find an alternative that avoids impacting these parcels. InfraWorks gives you the power to create functional design models at the appropriate level of detail for early reviews, all within a 3D sketching environment. Before investing the time producing the 30% submittal package, you can sit down with your client and evaluate the project. Transform review meetings into interactive feedback sessions, making adjustments to the model on the fly. You can more quickly arrive at an effective solution with minimal debate because decisions are backed by information and the robust 3D model helps everyone understand the design at every step of the way. The engineering teams can proceed with confidence knowing that the viable alternatives were identified and evaluated. The preliminary design model elements can be brought into Civil 3D in order to create the exhibits that are often required for 30% plan submittals. This usually includes approximate right-of-way plans, plan and profile sheets, and a first run of cross-sections. In addition, detailed design work can continue without duplicating efforts, saving your company time and money. You need Autodesk InfraWorks in your tool chest to enable you to quickly create the level of detail necessary to obtain preliminary design approvals. This speeds up the overall design process and gets you to construction faster.